Hi, my name is Crystal Gray, creator of the Crystal Gray Yoga Method. I've been teaching yoga for over 16 years and leading yoga teacher training since 2014. Today, I'm going to share with you my 3 top tips on how to be successful in a 200-hour yoga teacher training. Have you ever tried to do something but then felt like a complete failure when it didn't pan out? I hear this a lot from potential yoga teachers. They feel like they've already tried to follow one of their dreams in the past only to end up quitting and feeling like a loser because it didn't go anywhere. I've heard this from yogis who've gone through a yoga teacher training too, especially go at your own pace programs or programs that just didn't instill confidence in them, so they graduate but never do anything with it. What a shame. This makes me so sad because I know that if you want to teach yoga, you can do it and you can be good at it. You can be successful at it. All you need is someone in your corner who will lift you up and show you what's inside of yourself that you can't see. Let me be that person. Let me show you that you have something within you that no one else can do. You can teach yoga in a way that only you can, and that will get more people to actually try yoga. And isn't that the type of world we want to live in? One where more people are doing yoga? Before we dive in, please take a moment to let me know in the comments what has stopped you from taking a yoga teacher training. In this video, I hope to help you overcome that reason. So keep watching to hear my top tips to ensure you're successful and you don't waste time, money, or energy on something you're not going to use. Make sure you watch until the end because I have something that I know will help you a ton when it comes to taking a 200-hour yoga teacher training. Tip number 1, start carving time out now each day to do yoga or study yoga. This could be a 10-minute yoga flow, or it could be a guided meditation. It could also mean reading a book on yoga. I love studying the Yoga Sutras because they are a really great way to bring yoga off your mat and into your life to get way more from your yoga than just the physical benefits. Plus, those teachings will come in handy when you start teaching yoga. Tip 2. Once your program begins and you start learning poses, don't wait to start practice teaching. Find a couple good friends or family members, beginners preferred, to start teaching to. Bonus, they will most likely be your first paying students after graduation. Tip 3. Find your why. This is key because if your why is strong enough, everything else will have no choice but to fall into place. Hear me out. Have you talked yourself out of taking a yoga teacher training before? Yeah, I thought so. The reason is because your brain took over. But if you have a strong enough why, your heart will be in charge. And while it can be scary, your heart always leads you in the direction of your soul and your higher calling. Want to know how to overcome your fear and follow your heart by finding your why so you can finally take the leap and sign up for a yoga teacher training? Then make sure you sign up for my free 5-day challenge for you that teaches you everything you need to know before you take the leap and become a certified yoga teacher. All you need to do to access this free video training is click the first link in the description on this video or the one pinned in the comments. That'll take you to a page where you enter your email address and you'll get instant access to the challenge. Before you go, I'd love it if you'd let me know in the comments what has stopped you from taking the leap before and signing up for a yoga teacher training so that I can support you and maybe make a video on that as well. Have a great day. Bye.